sing it with me, come on. Bring it down, bring it down. I want y'all to sing it with me. We'll call, you respond. 1, 2, 3. Hallelujah! 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 Y'all can do it better than that. Come on, let's get louder. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Is that all you got? Is that all? Come on, one more time. 1, 2, 3. I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles and go down that short road. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. We're gonna let Michael sing this next one.
I can't seem to face into the box. I'm tense and nervous and I never lie. Can't sleep 'cause my head's on fire. Don't touch me, I'm a bit on fire. Psycho killer, just to say, better run, 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 run away. You start a conversation, you can't even finish it. Talking a lot, sure not saying anything when I have nothing to say. Not so serious. Say something once, watch it say it again. Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Better run, 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 run away. Oh, oh, oh. Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Better run, 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 run away. Oh, 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 oh. C'est soir. C'est soir. Viens les hommes mauvais soir. Je l'amasse, je we are vain and we are blind. I hate people when they're not polite. Oh, psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Better run, 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 run away. Oh, oh, oh,
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Soldier was a man who thought he was a woman, but he knew he couldn't lie. Soldier left his home in Tucson, Arizona for some California guy.
Get back, get back,
Get back to where you once belonged.
get back, get back,
Get back to where you once belonged. Sweet Marina thought she was a woman, but she knew it couldn't last. All the boys and girls, they said she got it coming, but she got too far, she got.
get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged.
Get back, Nathan Sexton!
Get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Here come on fat dog, he come growing up slowly, he got juju eyeballs, he won holy rollers, he got head down to his knees. Got to be good looking, he just do what he please. Yeah. He went out Tucson, he got Dodge and football, he got monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he say, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you've got to be free. Come together right now over me. He bad production. Here we go. Here on the coaster, he got early warning, he got muddy water, he got mojo filter, he say, 1 and 1 and 1 is 3. Got to be good looking, 'cause he's so hard to see. Come together right now over me. Come together. Come together. Come together. Come together. Thank you so much. We got a few more for you guys. Thank you so much for coming out. It is not too late to buy a round of shots for yourself and your friends. In fact, I highly encourage it. And you should consider me one of your friends as well. That was a tease, I'm sorry. All right. We're going to experiment a little bit. I want you to know that I have faith in you. And I wish nothing but the best for you both. I know the birds and the bees, if she perverted like me, if she go down on you in the theater, will she speak eloquently, then will she have your baby? I'm sure she'd make a really excellent mother, 'cause the love that she gave that we made wasn't able to make enough for you to be open wide. Did you know it? And every time you speak her name, you told me, you hold me, until you die, well, you're still alive. And I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not there to deny me of the cross I bear that you gave to me. You ought to know. You see very well that I am peaceful, and I well. I thought you should know. Did you forget about me, Mr. Duplicity? I hate to bug you in the middle of dirt. There was a slap in the face, how quickly I was replaced. And now you're thinking of me when you fuck her. Cause you learned that the game that we made wasn't able to make it enough for you to stay open wide. You know it. And every time you scream her name in the dome and hold me until you die, till you die. Well, you're still alive, here I am. Remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me of the cross I bear that you gave to me. You, I didn't know. You gave of a name and unable to make it enough for you to stay open wide. Did you know it? And every time I scratch my nails down someone else's back, I hope you feel it. Oh, can you feel it? Well, I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me of the cross I bear that you gave to me. You, wanna know? Well, I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me of the cross I bear that you gave to me. You, wanna know?
Thank you so much. That is Brandon Kunka right there on the vocals. The single Disease-Free Man to my left and your right. The tests are in.
Clean bill of health, ladies and gentlemen. I got the papers to prove it.
Yeah.
Say it ain't so. Do we have Weezer fans in here? Do we have some Weezer fans in here? Really?
Everybody likes saying it ain't so.
Here's a request. Oh yeah. All right. Somebody's hiding, is crawling my icebox. Somebody's cold one is giving me chills. I guess I should close my eyes. Oh yeah. Alright. Feels good inside. A flip on the telly, wrestle with Jimmy. Somebody's a bubble is hiding my tongue. A bottle is ready to burn. Yeah, y'all sing with me. Say it ain't so. Your dog is a heartbreaker. Say it ain't so. My want you, I never could do. And I wish might hurt you and try to be cool. Instead, this love is the one that's not away from me. It's just done every day. Ooh, to feel cool. Here we go. Say it ain't so. Your dog is a heartbreaker. Say it ain't so. My love is a life taker. Dear Daddy, I'll write you inside of years of silence. You cleaned up, found Jesus. Things are so, oh so like this bottle of Stevens awakens ancient feelings. Like Father, the sun is rising in the night. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Say it ain't so. Your dog is a heartbreaker. Say it ain't so. My love is a life taker. Y'all are awesome, man. I love this. Thank you so much. Don't forget, we are the Elegant Bachelors. This is Nathan Sexton on guitar, Michael Chesson on the guitar, and myself on the bass and the foot shit. And we're all singing. We got a couple more. We're gonna play some Rush and some 80s Metallica. I'm just kidding. But if we did play Metallica, you would not see that shit coming right now. Say your prayers until one. Don't forget my son to include everyone. I tuck you in, one within, keep you free from sin till the ceremony comes. Yes, sir. Sleep with one eye open, gripping your pillow tight. Exit night, and tonight, take my hand. Never, never land. We're done. All right, we're gonna let Michael sing this next one. Balls on the window, mail by the door. Why would anyone leave so quickly for a feeling? Where have you gone? Your neighborhood just ain't the same. Nobody knows just what became of Ophelia. Tell me what went wrong. Was it something that somebody said? Mommy, you know we broke the rules. Was somebody up against the wall? Mommy, you know that I died for you. Ashes of laughter, the ghost is clear. Why do the best things always disappear like Ophelia? Please come back home. Hey, the sexton. Was this something that somebody said? Mommy, you know we broke the rules. Was somebody up against the wall? Mommy, you know that I died for you. They got your number, scared and running. I'm still waiting for the second coming of Ophelia. Come back home. All right, we've got one more for you guys. Oh, that's so awesome.
Oh, pulling out the was in my half day. Just being about a place where I can lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find the bed? Just ran and shook my hand and goes on, he said. Take a load off Fanny, take a load free. Take a load off Fanny, hey, put the load right on me. Picked up my bag.